Today we talk about how can you add your friends on your Duolingo app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on add friends. Then it's going to take you to this list. Here can you choose from contacts here. You click on allow. Then it's going to sync your contacts. So then here can you search by name? Can you search here? So in this list, can you find your suggest friends here? And here can you add your name of your friends? And here can you share your follow link here with your friends here? Can you share it like here? Can you just save image here? Then you send it to your friends or scan it and send it to your friend to scan your QR code. So that's all you have to do to add your friends. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.